Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a website and you're tired of spam traffic, bot attacks, brute force login attempts, and unnecessary bandwidth usage, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to set up 5 powerful Cloudflare security rules that can help protect your website for free. First, I'll give a quick introduction to why we need to set up these Cloudflare security rules. These rules help get rid of most spam and hacking attempts. They also make your website look more legitimate because you'll receive mostly genuine visitors instead of bots crawling through your pages and wasting your resources. The first thing we need to do is enable the proxy status for the website where you're going to set up these Cloudflare security rules. Go ahead and do that first. I'm going to enable security rules for Google Ranks. I've already enabled the proxy status, so we're good to go. Next, go to the Security tab, then navigate to Security Arrow Rules. After that, click Create Custom Rule. On the free Cloudflare plan, you can create up to 5 custom rules, which is enough because we're going to set up exactly 5 rules that will help prevent most bots, spam, and unwanted traffic from reaching your website. Click Create Custom Rule and then go to this page where you'll see the rule setup screen. For the first rule, you can copy this expression. You can also follow the screenshot if you prefer doing it manually. First, give the rule a name. We're going to call it Allow Good Bots. Good bots include search engine crawlers such as Google, Bing, and other search engines that need to index your website. It can also include SEO crawlers from tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and other optimization platforms. If you want AI crawlers such as Perplexity, Gemini, or other AI systems to access your content, you can allow them here as well. After naming the rule, click Edit Expression and paste the expression. Then click the button shown here. You'll see that all the fields are automatically populated with search engine crawlers, SEO-related crawlers, monitoring services, analytics services, and other important bots. You can add or remove items based on your preference, but for now, this setup is enough for me. Before deploying, set the action to skip and select all of these checkboxes. Then deploy the first rule. After that, go back to the rule creation page. For the second rule, we're going to block aggressive crawlers. Some aggressive crawlers can scan your entire website very frequently. When multiple crawlers do this at the same time, your bandwidth usage increases and your website performance can suffer. To prevent that, we'll create another custom rule and name it Aggressive Crawlers. Click Edit Expression, paste the expression, and then set the action to Manage Challenge. This means any suspicious bot visiting your website will be presented with a challenge. If they pass the challenge, they're likely a legitimate visitor and can continue accessing your site. Set the rule order accordingly and deploy it. For the third rule, create another custom rule. This time, we're going to challenge traffic coming from large cloud providers, such as DigitalOcean and other major VPS providers. Many hackers and spammers use inexpensive VPS servers from these providers to launch attacks against websites. We can challenge this traffic to reduce abuse. You can also block specific countries if needed, but for now, we're only targeting large cloud providers. I'm going to name this rule MC Large Providers because we'll be using a managed challenge here as well. If a legitimate visitor happens to be using a VPS from one of these providers, they can simply complete the challenge and continue browsing the site. I'm going to leave the action as Managed Challenge and deploy the rule. Keep the rule order exactly as shown because order matters. The Allow Good Bots rule should always stay at the top. Next, we'll create another custom rule. This rule will challenge VPN users and anyone trying to access login-related paths. If someone is using a VPN, they'll be prompted to complete a challenge before accessing the site. We're also going to protect the WordPress login page. This helps reduce brute force attacks and adds another layer of security to your website. After configuring the rule, deploy it. For the final rule, we're going to block certain hosting providers, dangerous paths, and all traffic coming from the Tor network. If you're unfamiliar with Tor, it's a network designed to provide anonymous internet access. While it can be used for legitimate privacy purposes, it's also commonly used by malicious actors to hide their identities. We're going to block all traffic coming from the Tor network. In this rule, we're also disabling access to paths such as XML-RPC, WP-config, and several other sensitive paths that normal visitors never need to access. You can choose whether to allow AI crawlers. If you want AI systems to access your content, simply remove those conditions. In that case, only the bots not covered by your first rule will be blocked. That's another reason why rule order is important. Keep the rules in the same order shown in this tutorial. For this final rule, we're going to use block instead of manage challenge. Even legitimate users accessing your website through the Tor network can present additional security risks for many businesses, so we're going to block those requests completely. Deploy the final rule. There's one last thing we need to do. Go to the Network tab and scroll down until you find Onion Routing. Disable Onion Routing. Onion routing is related to the Tor network. If you leave it enabled, some Tor users may still be able to access your website. That's why you should turn it off. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.